Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a major US contractor that might get the contracts to build highways in Jamaica. Now currently, China Harbor Engineering Company, check, they are the ones that build the highways in Jamaica. But the new incoming ambassador to the US that's coming to Jamaica, the US ambassador to Jamaica, I should say, in her confirmation hearing, she said that the US would be trying to get US contractors to build highways in Jamaica. And she specifically mentioned that the Chinese contractors are underbidding US contractors and they plan to level the playing field. And when she comes to Jamaica, she's going to work towards that. Now, that is a major statement because the US has a lot of influence over Jamaica. And she also stated that the US is concerned about the influence that China has in Jamaica. And she even mentioned the port of Kingston being 50 or 49% owned by the Chinese. Not sure about that, but we will look into it and give you an update in a future video. But the US ambassador has made it clear that they want US contractors to build highways and they want a level playing field in the distribution of contracts. So, with that being said, we are going to look at a major US contractor that, if Jamaica was to go that route and use US contractors, this is the contractor they would probably use. The name is Kiewit, and they are the largest they are the largest builder of highways in the United States. And when discussing the world's largest highway builders, one company consistently stands out in transportation infrastructure: Kiewit Corporation. The Omaha-based firm is one of the largest construction and engineering companies in North America, generating more than US 18 billion in annual revenue and employing over 34,000 people. Kiewit has built major highways, bridges, tunnels, rail systems, and transportation corridors across the United States and Canada. Kiewit is generally regarded as one of the premier heavy civil and highway contractors in North America because of its extensive experience in roads, bridges, and transportation megaprojects, such as major highways, roads, and urban developments. Czech has contributed significantly to the country's modernization, but many observers argue that Jamaica should diversify its pool of international contractors to encourage competition, innovation, and better value for taxpayers. A company like Kiewit could bring several advantages. Kiewit has decades of experience building interstate highways, mountain roads, large bridges, and complex transportation networks throughout North America. The company routinely manages projects worth hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars. Such competition could deliver better technology, stronger local partnerships, and more options for financing and project delivery. Jamaica's next phase of development, new highways, urban transit systems, and logistic corridors, could benefit from having several world-class firms competing to build the country's future. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.